Hello, this is Kelly speaking. This is my company Changzhou Lingang Hardware. Now let me introduce for you. Please follow me to visit our factory. Now you will see our welding machine. We have 4 robot welding machine. You will see the welding parts and you will see the detail. The quality is very good. Okay, you can see the storage of the metal legs. The package have 2 types. One is the wooden box, and another is the carton package. We can put the labels and the design print outside the package outside, and the claims requirements.